then, this is a video for Matt Williams. We were talking about toolboxes and he'd seen one he quite fancied, and this is a Reggy cheap version. I had that box and I had this box and I had a toolbox and I thought what to do with them. So I built a frame out of steel. The box on the top with 3/4 set. When you make it, make sure the lid will open. I picked those up at a show somewhere and saw them again in the show. I just picked them up. These sockets, I seem to remember they were 20p each or something in the car boot, and I just bought all of them. I remember running out of money and having to come back, get the money and go back, and hopefully they were there, and they're all just in there. That's my metric, and that's the AF under there, and then under here a couple of electrical screwdrivers. I put my drills, and I've got another 3/4 set under there. But what I've done, have my own frame. Well, I did it wrong in the first place. I put little wheels on it, but it was quite unstable when you tried to move it, so I've had to add bigger wheels to make it more stable for when you're moving it around. I've even had to spread the bottom, stop it from tipping over. But when you do something like this, you can make it fit what you want. The extension bar, I put on the end there a Tommy bar. When I came round here, I had a job to do, bought a few sets, put them security ones and them, just screwed them, added it to it. I keep this here. I know now, if I want to crack a wheel off a Sprinter, I know that the Tommy bar, it's in there, I know where it is. It's the same around here. I've made this into a handle, although it's a nice long extension. The little cup holding it underneath, that's a nice long extension. I've added a few sets. It's a set that I bought. See, what I did, because your ratchets are always in the room. Let me get this out. Yeah. So I welded those rings onto it, so they just drop in. Same as that. Just drops in. So you know if you need a ratchet, you've got a ratchet. Little socket set back there. I had a little box, so I fixed my little box to it if I need those little ones. I've got another set of little small drive ones. They just hang on there, just a set that I had. And how do we move it around and how do we keep it? Well, you see this? This is just bars with bars. I lift that and that gets me to move it around. All this is a handle, but what it is, it's all thread. It's just a piece of all thread and a piece of heater tube makes you be able to grip it. You lift that up, you move it wherever you want to move it, and you slide the handle in back out the way. So that's homemade Reggy toolbox, and it sits up there. So yeah, makes use. Otherwise you've got two boxes sitting on a shelf somewhere taking up the space. So I hope that's given you an idea.